Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase volume on iPhone. So there are many ways for our iPhone speakers to be louder or softer. All you have to do is just to go to your settings and then tap on that music icon. So you can adjust Apple Music EQ settings, or you can increase Spotify's volume level. So in here you can make your iPhone louder depending on the music or the sound that you have chosen. Now the other way is you can also go over here, just scroll it down and adjust directly the volume of your phone as a total, the total sound or the sound of your whole phone in this page. Or you can just simply tap on the left side of your phone. There is an increasing and decreasing of the volume. Or the third one is you can just go to your settings again and find for the sound and haptics. Now you can just click on the headphone safety for you to reduce loud sounds, or also just click over here to reduce sounds. The last resort is to place your iPhone in a bowl or upside down, and it will make it louder. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.